this session of class 12th business studies, we will be going to discuss about the styles of leadership. Today in this session, we will be going to discuss about the authoritative style of leadership. In the authoritative style of leadership, all the authorities of taking the decisions are in the hands of one person, that is the leader only. Because he is not showing any trust or faith in the subordinates or the followers. So he tries to complete each and every given task according to the manner, in the manner or in the way in which he likes. So this form of leadership is known as the authoritative style of leadership. Okay. So when we are talking about this leadership, some characters or the features of these leaderships are: the concentration of authority is in the hands of the leader only. He is taking all the decisions, okay, whether the decisions are more important or the lesser important. So all the decisions are being taken by the leader only. Then comes concentration of decision making. He is taking all the decisions also, okay. With authority of taking the decision, he is taking all the decisions also. So all the decisions which are related with the completion of the task are being taken by the leader, and the followers or the subordinates only have to follow those decisions. He is totally focusing on the task. So he is a task oriented leader. Okay, he gives more importance or weightage to the task which is to be achieved. So he only focuses on achievement of task. Then he has got a unilateral work method. This type of leaders have got a unilateral work method, because all the methods and the processes of doing the work are being dictated by them only. In this form of leadership, there is only one way communication. All the communications are going in one way only. There is no option for the subordinates to speak or to present their views or ideas. So it is a one-way communication. So these are some of the features or the characteristics of this form of leadership. Now let us discuss about some of the advantages of this leadership. इसके फायदे क्या हैं, ये भी थोड़े से डिस्कस कर लिए जाए. क्विक डिसीजन. In this form of leadership style, all the decisions are being taken by the leader. So there is no need for him to consult to any other person. And if he knows this thing, that the decisions are being taken by the leader only, and I am the only person who is to take the decision, so why we should wait, or why there should be a delay in the decision? So in no point of time he takes the decision. So decision making is quick process. Then focus on the productivity and the profitability. This type of leaders, they keep a strict watch on the activities of the subordinate. So when the activities of the subordinates are strictly watched, so they are always engaged or busy in doing their work. So this increases the productivity of the organization, as well as the productivity increase, as well as the profitability also increases. Then in this form of leadership, there is one advantage, that the stress is reduced. How the stress is reduced? Because the work is completed on the given time period. The task is being completed. And when the tasks are being completed, so there is a reduction in the stress. Okay. Then comes maintenance of order and discipline. When there is an authoritative style of leadership, authoritative style. So in this case, what happens? All the workers, they are just busy in doing the work, or the subordinates, they are just busy in doing the work, and they follow the instructions which are being given by the leader. So the work is being done in a smooth manner and is completed on a given time period. So there is a discipline and the orderliness which is followed here. Okay. Then comes after this drawbacks. इसके कुछ नुकसान भी हैं. There is no motivation to the workers or to the subordinates, because they are only supposed to follow the instructions which are being given by the leader. So they are not at all motivated for doing any type of work, whether they have done something good for the organization. So this type of motivation does not take place with them. They are not being appreciated for any of their work, and what is being thought that only the money is the main source of motivation. If you are doing the work, then we are paying you the money. So there is a lack of motivation. The other sources of motivations are not being followed here. Then it creates a gap between the leaders and the followers. There is a gap because there is a one-way communication. So when the communication is done in one way, so it creates a gap or a distance between the leaders and the followers. If you are not having a two-way communication, then you will not be able to understand each other. So when the understanding does not take place, so there is a gap between the two persons. Okay. Creativity and initiatives are curbed. There is no scope of creativity and there is no scope of initiative also. इनिशिएटिव की भी कोई जगह नहीं है और क्रिएटिविटी बिल्कुल ख़त्म हो जाती है, क्योंकि आपका माइंड क्या कहता है, व्हाट इज़ योर क्रिएटिव माइंड थिंकिंग, इफ़ यू हैव गॉट एनी गुड आइडिया, बेटर आइडिया, बट दोज आइडियाज़ आर नॉट एट ऑल बीइंग एक्सेप्टेड बाय द लीडर्स. सो क्रिएटिविटी एंड इनिशिएटिव्स आर बीइंग कर्व्ड. देन देयर इज़ ऑलवेज अ फियर एंड रिसेंटमेंट. हमेशा डर रहता है, हमेशा एक डर बना रहता है कि इफ़ यू विल डू समथिंग एंड इफ दैट वर्क इज़ नॉट बीइंग डन अकॉर्डिंग टू द गिवन इंस्ट्रक्शन और द गाइडेंस, देन वी विल बी पनिश फॉर दैट थिंग. सो देयर इज ऑलवेज अ फियर. ओके. सो दिस फॉर्म ऑफ लीडरशिप स्टाइल, wherever it is being followed, so those type of organization does not have a good public image, because when we are following the authoritative style of leadership, then everything is being done according to the authority, and when the authority is being followed for taking the work or doing the work, so ultimately it has some drawbacks. Okay, and one of the drawback that is related with the poor public image. So you are not getting a good image or good reputation in the eyes of the public. So these were some of the features, characters, that is advantages and disadvantages, which we have discussed in this session. Hope you understand this thing clearly. Thank you and have a nice day.